Are you tired of hunting through menus for an arrow symbol in Microsoft Word, or worse, trying to draw one yourself? Insert the perfect arrow in just 10 seconds using the Shapes menu and no more frustration. Here is the plan. I will show you exactly where to click. Insert, then Shapes, then pick your arrow. 3 simple steps. Let us walk through it together right now. Alright, so let us start with the very first step. Go up to the top of your Word window and click on the tab that says Insert. This is where all of the extra elements live, like pictures, tables, and headers. It is the gateway to the tool we actually need. You will see it sitting right between the Home tab and the Draw tab. Just give it one click and your toolbar will completely change to show you a brand new set of options. Do not worry if it looks like a lot of stuff. We are only going after one specific thing. So once you are on the Insert tab, look toward the middle of that ribbon. You want to find the button that says Shapes. It usually has a little icon of a circle, a square, and maybe a triangle next to it. Go ahead and click that Shapes dropdown. This opens up a massive gallery of pre-made shapes. You have got rectangles, basic shapes, stars, banners, and the section we care about most, the lines and arrows. And here's the thing, this is the secret that saves you so much time. You are not searching through a tiny symbol font. You are picking a real graphic object that you can control. Now, choose your arrow from the gallery. Scroll down a bit in that dropdown until you see the Lines section. You will find basic straight arrows, block arrows, curved arrows, and even elbow arrows for flowcharts. For now, just pick a simple rightward arrow from the Lines group. Just click on it once to select it. Your cursor will change to a thin crosshair, which means Word is ready to draw. With that crosshair cursor active, click and drag on your document to draw it. Click anywhere you want the arrow to start. Hold down your mouse button and drag across the page to where you want it to point. When you let go, the arrow appears instantly. It is that easy. If you need a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical line, just hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while you drag. That locks the angle for you. Once your arrow is on the page, it might not look perfect yet. Maybe it is the wrong color, or it is too thin. So let us customize it. Click on the arrow to select it. A new tab should appear at the top called Shape Format. Click on that. Here you can change the shape outline to any color you want. You can also change the weight, which is just a fancy word for thickness, to make it really stand out. And if you want an arrow with a different style, like one that is dashed or dotted, that is all in this same menu. Finally, move and resize it to fit perfectly. Click on the arrow and drag it to slide it exactly where you need it. To make it longer or shorter, grab one of the little circles on the ends and drag them in or out. To rotate it, use that little circular handle right at the top. This is the real power of using shapes instead of a symbol. You have total control. You can make it big enough to point to a section header or small enough to sit next to a line of text. And that is it. You have gone from frustrated searching to confidently inserting arrows in seconds. No more hunting through symbol libraries or trying to line up weird text characters. Just insert, shapes, pick your arrow, and you are done. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in the next one.